With the advancement of technology, it's never been more convenient to adopt a plant-based lifestyle. This is Elijah with the Veggie Outers, and today we'll be covering the top 5 apps that are supportive of a plant-based or vegan lifestyle and make things much easier than they used to be. Note that most of these apps are free, or if they do have a paid version, they also have a free version. With that being said, let's get into it. Coming at number 5 is vegan recipes. This is controversial because it's not just one app. It's literally you typing vegan recipes in the Play Store and seeing all the results that pop up. The reason this is on the list is because there are so many vegan recipe apps and they all have great and awesome recipes to offer that whichever one kind of rocks your boat is the one you're going to go with. It's especially important when you're first starting out in veganism to replace the meals that you were eating. So you have different variations of different recipes to pick from, and when you download one or multiple of these apps, you'll have a fresh foundation to start with, and you can also flex your creativity in the kitchen. With that being said, when you do download some of these apps, most of the time the recipes will remain the same. So anytime one just kind of gets stale, you just download another one and you can increase your inventory of recipes in terms of plant-based living. Moving up the list at number 4, we have Is It Vegan? This is an app that actually can be used to scan barcodes of products and verify if it's vegan or not. You can also do the same thing for various ingredients to see if it's vegan or not too. This has great value when you're first starting out because a lot of times there's a learning curve. You don't know if this product is vegan, that product is vegan, and if you have a friend that helps you out, that's great. But this app plays a role in helping you decipher through various products to see if it's vegan or not. It is somewhat controversial because it does have the scanning barcode, which sometimes doesn't work. You can always type it in the search bar instead. However, they've recently updated it so the barcode scans very efficiently as long as you line it up with the red bar disappearing on the screen. With that being said, sometimes it will pop up that it's not sure if something is vegan or not, so you may still have to rely on Google or your experienced friends. But the concept of this app is still in the making, and at the time it is still a decent app to have in your phone that's supportive of a plant-based lifestyle. Vegan or Not is actually an app that can kind of be used as a database as far as ingredients go. We all know that there are various ingredients out there that are not vegan or derived from an animal source. Hence, if it has this type of ingredient in this product, the product itself is not vegan. This app can be used as a database or Wikipedia to let you know what ingredients are vegan and what aren't. You literally type the ingredient in and it analyzes it in the database to let you know if it's vegan or not. Very handy when you're going on the go or also when you're grocery shopping, looking at the ingredients and kind of wondering if this is vegan or not. Sometimes your experienced friend may not be available to call. You pull this app up and they'll do the job for you. Air Vegan is an app that shows the plant-based options within a certain terminal or at a certain airport, making it very appealing for the traveling vegan. It shows it in terms of colors based on that airport. So if an airport is green, it means it has a lot of plant-based options. If it's yellow, it means it's intermediate, and red means there are very few plant-based options. In addition to showing this, it will also show you the terminals and what terminals offer plant-based options, and specifically what restaurants have plant-based options too. Very convenient and nice for the traveling vegan. At the time of this recording, it is 99 cents, so be aware it is a paid app, but if you do plan on doing a lot of traveling domestically, then this is the perfect app and a must-have in your phone. Coming in our number 1 spot is happycow.net. Although it may be cliche and many of y'all saw it coming, you can't really be surprised. Happy Cow is actually an app that lets you see the vegan options within a certain mile radius that you set. Not only will it show the fully vegan restaurants, it will also show all the restaurants with vegan options. So if you're driving and you're out of town, or you just need to see what's available in the area when you get the munchies, Hey, you can click on the vegan and see all the vegan options, or you could just click on the vegan restaurant section to see if there are any pure vegan restaurants. But regardless, you can always check the area to see what options are available for you. Very useful, not only traveling, but even for just living around the corner. You may have just switched to veganism and you're curious as to what vegan restaurants are out there. Click the happycow.net and then you can see what's fully available. There are two versions of this app. There's a paid version for $2.99 that comes without ads, and there's a free version that does have an ad every now and then. So if you want to avoid ads, you can pay for the fully version, but there's no difference between the paid version and the free version. The only difference is the ads. And there you have it. You have the Veggie Outter's top 5 recommended plant-based apps for people who are vegan friendly, or who are considering going vegan. Most of these apps play a big role in making veganism convenient and just overall more smooth. If you found value in this video, I'd encourage you to subscribe. Make sure you share the content with anyone who you think will find value in it. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and go to www.theveggieouters.com for more information. We publish articles, videos, and reviews on restaurants on a regular basis. This is Elijah for the Veggie Outers, signing out.